This is a Sears Kenmore model 1720. It's an all-metal 1 amp straight zigzag machine that uses the the Kenmore C cams, which are similar to a top hat cam. It does have straight stretch and zigzag stretch, or you can use the regular single stack cams. To my knowledge, this machine will not use a double stack stretch cam. There's only one cam following arm in there. So it comes with 7 single cams, zipper foot, straight stitch foot, and some bobbins. Cosmetically, it's very, very nice machine. Very clean. It is, of course, the classic larger deck Kenmore that can be used on the tabletop or installed into a Kenmore case or cabinet. It works very smoothly, and it's freshly serviced and ready to go. Classic smooth Kenmore sound. Switch over to zigzag. Flip the little knob and go to a stretch. There's your stretch zigzag. Now I'm going to flip back over and we're going to put in a cam. Let's do the little S design, like a little squiggly snake. Pull in our links. And now we're doing a cam pattern. As long as the cam is in the machine, it will sew the cam pattern. So if you just want to do straight or zigzag, you have to remove the cam. There's the cam pattern. It's like a snake. There's your stretch, zigzag, or rickrack. There's a scallop that I did earlier. This is what happened when I did a stretch cam. It just didn't look right because this machine obviously is not capable of doing that. But you will get these fabric samples. Class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, and it does have a buttonhole drive arm, although I don't have a buttonhole to include with it at this time. Let's do 14 layers of cotton. I'm using a size 16 needle. And as with any Kenmore, you can get about 6/4 under this foot. And I love that because you don't have to struggle as much to get your project underneath. Blasting right through 14 layers of cotton with a perfect stitch. This is 6 layers of denim. And any low shank foot or attachment will fit this machine. Bobbins and needles can be bought anywhere as easy as your local Walmart. There's your 6 layers of denim. How about 3 layers of leather? See, look at my foot lift, getting that leather under there. Very nice. Of course, if you're going to consistently work with vinyl or leather, an even feed foot is a good idea, just because it lets the feed dogs work a little less. Three layers of leather, nice stitch, and last but not least, I'll loosen things up. And this is a more chintzy fabric. It's not sure what it is, but it's more delicate. As you can see, it does just fine on the delicate as well as a heavy duty. Puckering or pulling. Of course, going from heavy to delicate, you do need to adjust things, your pressures, your needle size, and everything. There is your delicate. And that is the Sears Model 1720.